Hello guys, this is Tina from ursneaker. Today I'm going to do a review for the Air Jordan 1 sneakers. Yeah, this is Air Jordan 1 shutter background. Yeah, the sneakers I have took them out of the box. So now let's check side by side first. Okay, so this is the lateral side of these sneakers. Okay, and now see from this side and vent here and this bottom, yeah, also template, and this back counter, yeah, it's really in good quality, including the stitching, the materials, the edge, all the details are exactly in good quality. Okay, now let's see the details here. All the materials are full grain leather, so you see the textures here. Yeah, and this Air Jordan 1, and you see here these wing logos embossed on it. It's something like glossy in black colorway, and the stitchings here you see, yeah, the stitchings here it's really in good quality, right? Yeah, stitchings here quite yes, see, quite clean and neat, right? And this swoosh logos, see the edge of these sneakers. You see, yeah, okay, the edge, it's quite clean right here. And you see here the stitchings here, and the orange parts, the black parts, and then this white parts. You see the stitchings, and they are parallel, right? See, okay. And now check this vent here. The vent is designed with some perforations on it. You can check the perforations on it. It's really in good quality. Have a close review of it, right? Really in good quality. See this toe cap piece, the edge, the stitching, and then this is media side. Check media side here. See all the details. And this on top of the tongue you got a woven label, right? Nike Air. And the back side, yeah, the back side here. Okay, see the lining here, something like dark night sky here. Okay, and this also templates. See, yeah, the color is matched, right? This orange piece and this, they are matched. Okay, so these are the total review for this Air Jordan 1 shutter background. If you want to get every details about it, you can contact with us. Okay, see you next time. Bye.